Day, 9 a.m., Monday the 4th. So I'm going to go over my current standings, my account sizes, and the trades I took. These are my 5 Lucid accounts. These are at $52,121 across all 5. Got the 2 followers in the leader. So yeah, $600 on the day, $52,121. And on the compass, you can see we had the $1,500 and then $600 11 trades. I was scalping the price. It was so choppy today, but that's that. I'm really not trying to rush these accounts this time. So whenever I happen to pass, that's cool. Over on my Top Step dashboard, we have the 3 accounts. This one is just failed. And this one, or I guess it's vice versa. This is it didn't hit $1,000. There was a nasty candle that, yeah, got me at my stop loss of $95, and then the account glitched. So, but yeah, these 3 are at 52,256 across the 3. This one is at 50,600, so it's got $1,000 left. So basically, got these 4 I'm working with over here, and these 5 over here on Lucid. So just kind of going for slow, steady wins to grow them. And yeah, no PAs right now, which is chilling. Fine with it. But yeah, over here on the chart on Lucid, let me see if I can bring up where I took any trades. So trading execution marks. Okay, so I kind of scalped some price as it was moving. Let me see if I can do the 1 minute. So yeah, this is all just kind of junk right here. Don't really know what was going on. We can see we had a 5-minute inverse off of this draw right here, and also a rejection from this gap. Boom. So let me actually get rid of these. So price came down, manipulated overnight into this morning. It came up, broke out of this 5-minute gap right here. 5-minute gap to the upside. Swept out liquidity. Tried to come up and take London and this liquidity right here, which would be like right here. Boom. Boom. Couldn't really get it, and so we tapped into the 5-minute gap. I don't believe there's a 15-minute gap. Kind of. So we'll just say it tapped into this 15-minute gap. Tried to break out. Ultimately was the 5-minute gap above. And so we rejected off of that. After we rejected off of that, we created an imbalance and a rejection to the downside of the break of this 5-minute gap right here. Boom. And so that was a short play to the downside. And yeah, a lot of volume kicked in after that. So I don't believe I got in immediately. That's why you saw some of those trades right in here. I think I was still holding longs back up to the highs because it's ultimately where price wanted to go from this move up after this big sweep. But back to the executions on the 30 seconds, so we can see price. Yeah, we can see I took a long right here for, oh yeah, right here. And then I think I got out right here. Then I took a long again, got stopped out. And that's when I was finally like, okay, price is disrespecting higher time frame. Well, not higher time frame, but like wanting to go higher. We've already put in, lower high. We're putting in sort of downward momentum. And right here, we broke this to the downside right here and put in another lower low. So price is trying to flush itself to the lows. After all this, price action right in here, my trades, I took a short down to right here or something. And then, yeah, I just traded in here. So I see I got a sell, boom, long, 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 short. Just traded the chop. Probably wasn't the best move, but, you know, it worked out. So that was pretty much it. The trade I took over here on Top Step, let's see, I took a long right here. Took a long from a retracement back into the gap. Price came up, rejected off this gap to the downside. Came up again, again, again. Finally, it broke out, rejected off this one, came back down. On the continuing uptrend, I figured I'm just going to go long, unless I took it way down here on the super small time frame, which I'm trying not to do. Yeah, it looks like I just took a small scalp off of these internal lows right here. Internal lows came in, sweep, getting at 71. 71 right here as price swept and came up. And I got in at 3 points. That's not a good trade. Oh, yeah. It's only 3 points because, this is the candle that stopped me out. Literally, this entire freaking candle is what caused my account to glitch. And so what happened is I got in at 71, right, wherever it was, 71, we'll just say here, and then I was targeting the highs right here, right? And we can see my trade ultimately played out right here, boom, boom, and I was up like $700 right here, and I was about to close the trade because we had reached these highs, pretty much. And then what happens? Price shits the bed and goes down like 50 points. Like, yeah, 60 points. Glitches my account out to what? Go up and hit my TP. So it is what it is on that account. And on the leader account, it's gonna be over here. Yeah, I took a long after price broke out, tapped into some liquidity, retraced, so I took a long back to the highs. And I think that was it. Yeah, it's just the one little trade. But yeah, that one right there was really stupid. Overall, those are the trades I took. Long, got wicked out for that 90 bucks. Retracement to longs to highs for 10 contracts, and then choppy, shitty trades on Lucid for $600. But, yep. Let me know how you're handling this really bad price action and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm going to peace out, sign out, hop off, and I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.